I think this is where Bangers and Cashers. See you in a minute.
Right, I'm going to have a look in the Matthewson's gift shop. So, it's an interesting looking old van. It's beautiful, beautifully restored. What type of van is it? There's a little Teddy driving it there. I think it's a Morris Cowley van, I believe. There's an old petrol pump there, look. Measured in gallons. And there's some clothing and mugs and lots of bits and bobs you can buy with the Matthewson's logo. Oh, very nice. And there's another car down here that's been beautifully restored. What's this? I think it could be an Austin of some description. Austin 7, maybe? I'm not 100% sure. There's quite a few cars on the forecourt. It really is an interesting place to visit. And there's Derek and his 2 sons. Picture on the mugs.
Right, Tony, what you got there then?
This is what Santa brought us, remember?
Oh, yeah.
And it's a Cadac, and we've never used it.
No.
Because it's never been warm enough to use.
No, well, we had it at Christmas, and it's only April.
It's only April.
Isn't it? And it's the warmest it's ever been up to yet.
Yes. I'm looking forward to using it for the first time. We're going to cook some steaks.
Yeah.
We've got some mushrooms. So we're having a steak dinner. Going to move, so I've got a bit of space.
Yeah, so it's going to do it on the floor, aren't you?
Yeah. So this is come out of the lid, the zip lid. This looks like a pan.
Oh yeah, that's good, isn't it?
Then we've got a hole.
And that's the burner,
So this is the burner.
Has it got little legs?
Yeah.
Should have.
I've got
Oh,
3 feet to keep it sturdy. Then that goes on top of there. A grill. So that's like a typical barbecue. I could use... Oh, does that go on there? Yeah. Do the steaks on there, on like a hot plate.
Alright.
And then you've got a pan. So you could make things like stews and curries and all sorts of stuff. Chili. And use it just as a pan, like at home.
Hopefully we're going to be able to plug it into the motorhome.
Yeah, you've got the gas pipe that screws onto there.
There's a special connection, isn't there?
Yeah, that the van came with. So I'll show you that when we start sizzling the steaks.
So everybody, that's what we're going to do our tea on tonight. So we're going to have steak, mushrooms and some salad, is that it?
Yeah, unless you want some chips as well. We'll see.
Yeah, we'll see.
We'll see how hungry we are.
Yeah. So that's great, isn't it? So thank you, Santa. Yeah, we'll see how it goes then, everybody, because that's the chef anyway.
Yeah.
There, just there.
Anyway, looking forward to making our tea tonight.
Okay, see you later, everyone. Well, there's Tony. He's got the steaks on. some mushrooms.
Yeah, sizzling away nice.
I'll come a bit closer, just hold on a minute. There we go. So far so good.
So far so good.
Putting a few more, oh my goodness, you've got one down the side, look.
Oh no.
One's escaped.
One's escaped.
That has got down the side. Never mind, don't worry about it. Looks good. We'll see what it looks like when you've finished, eh, Tony? Morning, everyone.
Morning, folks.
Hope you're all okay.
Yeah.
Well, this is just a quick roundup about where we've been.
Yeah.
Well, we've been on a campsite called Overbrook Campsite, and it is at Thornton Le Dale, which is North Yorkshire.
North Yorkshire. It's just that on the outskirts of the village.
Yeah.
And it's called Overbrook because the campsite is situated over the little brook that goes into the village.
Oh, there's a beautiful walk through the woods there.
Yes, as you'll see.
Yeah, and the campsite cottages, because you can stay here in a cottage if you want, was the old railway. Yes. And you'll have seen that on the video.
So it's the old railway station.
Yes. So yeah, it's a nice campsite.
Yeah, very quiet.
Very quiet. It's Tranquil Parks.
Yeah.
So that means it's adults only. So you know, it was very, very quiet. You could hear a pin drop actually, apart from the birds singing, which was beautiful. Anyway, we walked into the village and we went through the woods.
Yes, it's only half a mile or 10 minutes walk.
Yeah, and what a walk that is. It's beautiful, and you've got this brook following you all the way, and there's like little waterfalls.
Yeah, very picturesque it is. Yeah.
The village is very nice, but there's like a little village green where there's trees and grass and you can sit. There was a few gift shops and things, and there's a supermarket.
Yeah. Right,
there's a couple of cafes in the village. One was closed because they'd gone to a wedding, family wedding, and then the other coffee shop was just as you came out of the woods. Lovely setting, and you could sit at the front of the coffee shop and then, you know, people watch.
Claim to fame of Thornton Le Dale is Matthewson's, and people that don't know or don't watch Bangers and Cash, it's a historic auction house that sell all antique cars, unusual cars, memorabilia to do with the motor trade, and to me, it's a very interesting programme.
Yes, it's on all the time, whatever night it. Oh, look, Bangers and Cash is on again. And I think, oh no, not again.
The guy that runs the show is Derek Matthewson, and together with his two sons, Paul and Dave. Yeah, so that's what the programme's around. They go around picking up historic antique cars to sell at the auction house. And anyway, there's a little museum and gift shop in Thornton Le Dale. Okay. Yeah. Now, as we were walking to the little gift shop, you spotted Dave.
Yeah, he came by in his car. It was a Mini, I think it was a Mini. Yeah. Came by,
and he waved.
And he looked and waved, so I waved back, and I went, hello, like that.
Yeah, because you...
And I don't know why he waved at me, but he did.
Because you want to know who he was.
And anyway, then he went up the side of the... there's a road at the side of the gift shop into the back, I think. Yeah. And I thought... I meant to have a look, and I thought, shall I ask him if I can have a photo? But I didn't like to. Didn't like to intrude.
No,
I got a wave, and that was enough.
Yeah, so
so you went inside the gift shop.
Yes, there's lots in there, memorabilia plus lots of gifts to do with Matthewson's, as you can see.
Yeah, from the video.
From the video, we bought a couple of mugs. One of the Thornton Le Dale itself, and another one of Matthewson's. Okay, so going to the mug, it was established in 1970.
So if you like you like cars and memorabilia about cars, then that's a nice visit.
Yes, and you watch Bangers and Cash.
Yeah, they do auctions, don't they?
Yes, auctions are on. We're reading the sign. They do auctions maybe two or three times a month by appointment only at the auction house. But they've got cars on the forecourt there next to the gift shop. They can have a quick look at.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That was nice to see, wasn't it?
Yeah.
And then we had a stroll back through the woods again. Oh, and by the way, there is a big car park just as you come out of the woods, as you're getting near the village. There's a car park to the right, isn't there?
Coaches and motorhomes.
Yeah, and obviously cars.
Yeah.
So obviously you have to pay.
Yeah.
But it's not an overnight stay car park. It does say that. No camping overnight, but you could park your motorhome in there if you wanted just to visit Thornton Le Dale for the day.
And it's only 100 yards from the village centre.
So yeah, it's a nice village to walk to from the campsite. So I need to tell you about the cost of our stay. So I've got it down here. The cost of the stay was £75.50. We're on a regular pitch, and it's up to 6.7 metres. So if you're on a regular pitch, you get a discount of £2. But there's also pets have to pay £3. Well, they don't have to pay. We have to pay for a pet, £3.50, just a one-off payment. £37.75.
Yeah. Per night.
We're on a metered pitch. That's electricity. And when you arrive, they give you on a card £1 a day. It's 3 kilowatts. And I paid £10 and it totaled then 12.
Yes.
So they obviously it's £1 a day. I think we've used down to 9 of them.
Yeah, I checked it this morning and we're on £9.10. So we've only used less than £3.
Yeah, so that's not bad really. So we've only used £1 of our own money.
Yeah,
so that's okay.
And we used the overnight heating on low.
It was set to come on if the temperature dropped below 15 or 14 or whatever it was. Setting, because it did get really cold, didn't it, the first night?
Saturday night.
Yeah. But we've not had the heating on all day, obviously, because it's been lovely. We've had the water heater on.
Yeah,
obviously we needed that on. We've had the air fryer on, and we've used
the kettle.
The kettle obviously quite a few times. Nice campsite, nice people. Everybody was friendly. Everybody was very quiet. There was no rowdiness or anything.
No rowdiness. No,
very peaceful.
As it's a tranquil site.
Yeah, a tranquil site.
The shower facilities and toilet block was good. Individual toilets with an individual sink. 3 toilets in the men's and 3 shower units. Temperature and flow adjustment. So I would give it 8 out of 10. Yeah,
it's good. And there's an information room, and there's a washing machine and 2 washing machines, I think, and a tumble dryer. Loads of information. And then there's a dishwashing area, and there is a motorhome service point on the way in. It's just a grate you lift the lid off to empty your water on the way out. But you've been doing it with the the waste master thing.
Which is more
Fiamma
convenient.
waste master thing.
Because the wastewater is just round the corner from us. So.
Yeah, and there's bins and water and waste points around the campsite, isn't there? Nice stay. So and we would come back, wouldn't we?
Yeah. I mean, if you're looking for a place that's very quiet, within very easy walking distance of a lovely, pretty little village,
and this is it,
Dale, then we would highly recommend this campsite.
Yeah, it's really lovely.
Yeah.
So everybody, we're going to leave it there, and we'll see. Oh, before we go, we'd just like to thank all our viewers and our subscribers. We really appreciate you. And if you are a viewer and haven't subscribed to our channel yet, because we see by our analytics that we have an awful lot of viewers that haven't subscribed as yet. So please press that subscribe button. It doesn't cost you anything. It is free, and it would help us, wouldn't it? Help the channel. Anyway, thank you all for watching. Take care, and we'll see you in the next one.
We will.
Bye for now.